Hi guys, long time no see. Haven't talked to you guys and made one of these in a while, so I apologize for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick screencast. A lot of stuff has changed since the new building, so I'm just gonna go over things really quickly. A lot more of you guys are in person, and some of you guys are still virtual. So me and Coach G have had to make some decisions of how things are gonna go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of go over those changes. So not much has changed, just a little bit. So if you scroll down here to the bell schedule has changed a little bit. Okay, we're going back to the very original one that we've always done here at the high school. So first bell starts at 8 and ends at 8:53, and then so on. So I put the new bell schedule in the landing page. So that is there for you guys. All this stuff is still here, the links, because you guys that are virtual students are still going to be using these same resources. But those of you that are here in person, you will no longer have to worry about Flipgrids, but CoSpaces and Edpuzzles still might be a thing for you on our Friday work days. But as far as you now being back in person, we are now going to start implementing activities here in person, so you will no longer have to worry about the Flipgrid link. Okay, the agenda is still looking the same, still my Bitmoji classroom. As you can tell, I have labeled two different things. We have our virtual students, and then we have our in-person students. So this week, virtual students, you have two Flipgrids. We have a 10-minute arm plus core and 4-minute HIIT workout. Now, me and Coach G will not be babysitting, as you want to say, or checking in on you guys during the Google Meets anymore. As far as that goes, we will check in and do attendance and whatnot, but you guys will be working for the most part asynchronously. So you'll have these two Flipgrids to complete by Friday. Okay, so that's for my virtual students only. All right, those of you who come in person, starting tomorrow, we are doing our baseball/softball unit, meaning we will meet you guys in the gym and we will start working on the baseball and softball rules, and we'll get to play baseball or softball. Okay, so virtual students, those are your two assignments for this week. We're not going to be on the Google Meets hounding you guys every day. You can use your own judgment on your pace of time of when you need to get them done, but just know that we will check on Friday to make sure you guys have those two done. In-person students, we will have a baseball softball unit we're participating in this week, and then Friday we'll have a work day, so you might see a change in the schedule then. Okay, down here is the link to the Google Meet still. This is where my screencast will go, just like normal, and you can always check the landing page for the weekly assignments. Okay, so my virtual students still kind of doing the same stuff we have been doing, just a little bit more on your own and figuring out your pace to get those two assignments done. My in-person students, you guys will be here tomorrow and we'll get going. We will put your stuff in the locker room. We'll get in our attendance spots and we'll get going as far as that goes tomorrow. So we'll see you guys in person tomorrow, and then those of you who are virtual, get working on those two Flipgrids. And as always, if you have questions, you can always email me. I'm here to help you. We only have about 7 weeks of school left, so let's keep trucking and get through this together. All right, I hope you guys had a great weekend and a great Easter, and I will see you guys soon.